Good day everyone. So today I'll be showing you the skeletal system. So first is the skull. The skull, here is the cranium and the facial bones. Next is the thoracic cage. Thoracic cage consists of the ribs, here, and the sternum. Next, the vertebral column. Here to here. And you have the vertebra. Next is the sacrum. And we also have bones in our pelvic girdle. Next, the bones in the pectoral girdle. We have the clavicle. And the scapula here. This one. The scapula. Next is the lower limb. In our brachial, the bones is called the humerus. The antebrachial, we have two bones. It's called the ulna and the radius. Next is the hand. The hand, in our palmar, we have bones connecting to the digitals. And also we have in our wrist, or the carpal. Bones in our wrist, in the carpal is called the carpals with an S. And here in the palmar is called the phalanges. In the digital, the metacarpals. Next, the lower limb. In our femoral, the bone here is called the femur. In our patellar, in our knee, the bone is called the patella. And in our crural, or the leg, we have two bones. It is called the tibia and the fibula. Next, our feet. We have three bones. Our feet, starting here, the tarsals, and this, the metatarsals, and this, the phalanges. It's also the same phalanges, like here also. That's all for the skeletal system. Thank you for watching.